0.99 inches above the normal amount of 2.11 inches for June. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 20.05 inches, which is 0.17 inches above normal. There were no heating degree days yesterday, which is normal. This leaves the monthly total at 0, which is normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 2,805, which is 252 below normal. There were 12 cooling degree days yesterday, which is normal. This brings the monthly total to 192, which is 42 above normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 411, which is 37 above normal. The normal high temperature for today is 87 degrees, and the normal low is 67. The record high for today is 99, which occurred in 2015, and the record low is 52, which occurred in 1961. Sunrise today is at 6:09 a.m. and sunset is at 8:40 p.m. The public warning alarm feature of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards will be activated for test purposes today between at Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL-70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL-70, broadcasting near Charlotte, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Staley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert test. The public warning alarm feature of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards will be activated for test purposes today between 11 a.m. and noon. If there had been a threat of severe weather, this test would have been postponed until the next.
Quick synopsis. The WR300 went off. The WR100 went off. The Recommerce 1630C went off. The Sangean 991 12-521 08500RX, the other Accurite, the AlertWorks HH 120, but the 262 went off for a weekly test, but activated for a 6-hour event. That is the first time I have seen the 262 activate for a 6-hour event. Yeah, but it did that. At least it went off, but come on. Come on, 262, get it together. Anyway, all the radios activated. This is the third perfect activation in a row, surprisingly, on weekly tests. But this guy, come on, bro. You have to go out for a 6-hour event. Besides that, all of them have activated yeah. But the 262, come on, bro. Come on, man. You gotta go off for a 15-minute event like the 521 did.